Very good morning, all of you. So, today our topic is test for sulfate SO4 2 minus ion and sulfuric acid H2SO4 and the uses of sulfuric acid we are going to discuss in this video. So, in this series of video we are discussing about the preparation and properties of sulfuric acid. Number of properties we have discussed in different video. If you are not still subscribed my channel, please subscribe now. And how to find out the presence of sulfate in a salt, or how to identify the nature of the acid is sulfuric acid. We know, and you also studied in 11th standard practical, the test for sulfate ion. A very dilute solution of sulfuric acid or aqueous solution of sulfate. We know what is meant by aqueous. If the solvent is water, it is called aqueous. In a solution, if the solvent is water, it is called aqueous. Gives white precipitate due to the formation of barium sulfate with barium chloride. So, when barium chloride is added to sulfate salt or sulfuric acid, it gives white precipitate. Why white precipitate is formed? Due to the formation of barium sulfate. Color of barium sulfate is white in color. It can also be detected using lead acetate solution. The sulfate or sulfuric acid can also be detected using lead acetate solution. Here a white precipitate of lead sulfate is obtained. What are the reactions of this test? Barium chloride BaCl2 when treated with the sulfuric acid H2SO4, barium 2 plus combined with the sulfate 2 minus form barium sulfate, which is a precipitate, therefore indicated by a downward arrow mark. Name of this compound is barium sulfate and it is white precipitate. Hydrogen H plus combined with the Cl minus form HCl. Like that. Lead is a 2 plus ion, acetate a mono negative, molecular formula CH3COO twice Pb when treated with the sulfuric acid, and this plus 2 plus combined with the 2 minus form lead sulfate, which is a precipitate. Color of this precipitate is white in color with the loss of acetic acid. Now, how the reaction takes place, how to write the reaction. After that, we will discuss the uses of sulfuric acid. Test for sulfates and sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid molecular formula H2SO4. Any sulfate salt. How to identify any sulfate salt? The reactions are very easy. When sulfuric acid, a dilute solution of sulfuric acid is taken in a test tube. Hydrogen is a monopositive ion, H plus ion. Sulfate SO4 is a 2 minus ion. So, when you write the molecular formula, that 2 is here, this one is there, H2SO4. When barium chloride, barium chloride, barium is alkaline earth metal, 2 plus ion, chlorine minus 1. When we write in class the molecular formula BaCl2, when barium chloride is added to dilute solution of sulfuric acid, we know this plus barium 2 plus combined with the sulfate 2 minus gives barium sulfate. Barium sulfate. We know the charges are equal. Barium 2 plus sulfate is here 2 minus ion, and when we write in class that 2 is here, this 2 is there, the 2 get cancelled, and again H plus combined with the Cl minus form HCl, and we also know the valencies are equal. H is monopositive, chlorine is mononegative, and when we write in grass H1Cl, 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 2 chlorine. So, the name of this BaSO4 is barium sulfate. Barium sulfate. Barium sulfate is a precipitate. It is indicated by a downward arrow mark. And what is the color of this precipitate? It is white in color. Therefore, white precipitate is formed. Precipitate is water insoluble in nature. That is indicated by precipitate. Water insoluble is indicated by precipitate. Then one more test for this. When sulfuric acid, dilute solution of sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Hydrogen is a monopositive ion. Sulfate is 2 minus ion. Sulfate SO4 2 minus ion. That 2 is here. This one is there. Sulfuric acid. When treated with lead acetate. If acetic acid CH3 COOH lost one hydrogen, we will get acetate ion. Acetate is 1 minus ion. And lead Pb is a 2 plus ion. Lost 2 electron and 2 plus ion. So, now how to write the molecular formula? That lead valency 2 is written here. Acetate valency is 1. So, this is your lead acetate. Lead acetate. As like the first reaction, which combine with which one? Now, sulfate 2 minus ion combine with the lead plus combine with the minus. What is our product formed? Our product formed is PbSO4. Lead is a 2 plus ion, sulfate is a 2 minus ion. When we write in class, the molecular formula Pb2SO4 twice, 2 get cancelled, plus again this minus combine with this plus. Acetate minus combine with H plus form acetic acid CH3 COOH, acetic acid. 2 acetate 2 hydrogen, 2 acetate 2 hydrogen. So, what is the name of this PbSO4? It is nothing but lead sulfate. Lead sulfate. Lead sulfate is also a white precipitate. Lead sulfate is also a white precipitate. A precipitate is one which is insoluble in the given solvent. So, at the bottom we will get this precipitate. So, these are the tests for sulfate or sulfuric acid. Now, we are going to discuss the uses of sulfuric acid. Uses of sulfuric acid. First one is sulfuric acid is used in the manufacture of fertilizers, ammonium sulfate and superphosphate and other chemicals such as hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, etc. So, sulfuric acid used in the manufacture of fertilizers, ammonium sulfate NH4 twice SO4 and superphosphate containing high percentage of phosphorus in that fertilizer, and the chemicals like hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, all are inorganic acid, can be prepared from H2SO4 sulfuric acid. And sulfuric acid is used as a trying agent. Trying agent also known as dehydrating agent. Trying agent used to remove water molecule. Trying agent used to remove moisture. And also used in the preparation of pigments. Pigments are color producing substances. Pigments are color producing substances. And also used in the manufacture of explosive. We know the glycerol undergo reaction with sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Concentrated sulfuric acid and concentrated nitric acid gives glycerol trinitrate, nitroglycerin, an explosive compound. So these are the uses of sulfuric acid. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.